30s, I began feeling unhappy with how I felt and more so with how I looked. I was always foggy-headed, tired, and I was gaining weight for what seemed like no reason at all. After making some meaningful changes to my diet and lifestyle, I was able to reverse all of these issues. If you're unhappy with the way you look or feel or move, now is the time to take control of your body. Today, I'm gonna take you into my kitchen and give you some of the insights on how you can start reversing the signs of aging and begin to feel amazing. Hello, welcome. I'm your keto cousin. Today, I'm really excited to share something close to my heart. I want to give you a glimpse into how I've worked on reversing insulin resistance and achieving metabolic mastery. You know, I'm in my 40s now, but it was in my mid-30s that I really started to pay close attention to my health. I was already beginning to see and feel the signs of aging, and I knew I needed to make a change. My guide and journal, Metabolic Mastery, came about after years of learning what I think should have been taught in school: how to properly take care of your metabolism. A big part of our health and aging process has to do with our metabolism, but what does that mean exactly? Well, our metabolism is essentially how our bodies convert food into energy. A healthy metabolism efficiently uses this energy to support all of our bodily functions. As we age, our metabolic rate tends to slow down, which can lead to a variety of issues like weight gain, decreased energy levels, and reduced muscle mass. And when our metabolism isn't functioning optimally, it can also affect our insulin sensitivity. So insulin resistance, a common issue as we age, can lead to higher blood sugar levels and increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes and other metabolic disorders. So by focusing on maintaining a healthy metabolism, we can combat many of these issues. I made this journal as a roadmap for myself. I wanted a tool to keep me accountable and remind me of my health goals. There's a natural decline that comes with getting older: losing muscles, skin elasticity, joint flexibility, even mental cognition. Our modern sedentary lifestyles aren't helping either. But I'm determined to stay youthful for as long as possible. And a big part of staying youthful is mastering our metabolic health. In Metabolic Mastery, I outline simple principles that, when followed regularly, help us maintain muscle, keep our mitochondria healthy, and ensure we stay energetic and vibrant. And today I want to talk about one key aspect: eating for metabolic health. Specifically, I'll show you how I plan my meals. In my last video, I talked about the importance of starting your day with low carbs and adequate protein, as it is crucial for keeping you satiated and balancing your blood sugar. So how do you know how much protein to consume? Well, I have a section in my guide that gets very specific depending on your fitness goals. As a general rule of thumb, you should aim for about 1.6 to 1.8 grams of protein per kilogram of your ideal body weight. So if my goal weight is 125 pounds or about 57 kilograms, I would need between 91 and 102 grams of protein a day. So you're gonna take that number and divide it up over the number of meals you plan to eat each day. So today, I'm gonna share with you some easy meal prep dishes that are high in protein that you can implement to reverse insulin resistance or maintain good metabolic health. And I'm going to include the recipe links in the description below so that you can make them too. And in my guide, I've included a done-for-you 5-day meal plan that has recipes and even a grocery list that will help you detox from sugar and start enjoying delicious, healthy, protein-centered meals. I love to eat, and it's important to me that food is enjoyable. I wouldn't be able to stick to a diet of bland, boring, flavorless foods, so know that you're gonna eat well. So let's start with breakfast. I like to have my first 2 meals of the day ready to go so I can be productive and not waste too much time cooking in the kitchen, right? So first up will be Gruyere and bacon egg bites. These are super convenient, easy to make. These bites are versatile. You can change up the protein instead of bacon. You could add sausage. You can change the herbs. You can change the cheeses to make things interesting. You're simply going to whip up the eggs and cottage cheese in a blender and add the bacon and Gruyere cheese, salt and pepper, whatever seasonings, and cook them in the oven. They are delicious. They are packed with protein. Next, let's move on to lunch or dinner. I'm gonna make stuffed lasagna boats. So my family loves ground beef. It's cost effective, quick and easy to prepare, and we eat it sometimes several times a week. So this recipe helps add some variety. I use bell peppers as our boats, and I fill them with a savory Italian ground beef mixture and a mix of lasagna cheeses. I make a large batch of the ground beef at the beginning of the week, and then half of it will go into the boats, and the rest of the ground beef will be used for other meals like taco bowls or a beef stir fry. And so meal prep is all about convenience and also versatility. And finally, we're gonna satisfy that sweet tooth with a treat. We're gonna make chocolate peanut butter cups, and I indulge in one of these maybe after lunch or dinner. And these are keto friendly. They help curb cravings and keep insulin levels low at night. If you prefer, you could substitute the peanut butter with almond butter or coconut manna or macadamia nut butter. It's up to you. Meal prepping does not have to be complicated or time-consuming. With a little planning, you can create delicious, healthy meals that support your metabolic health and help reverse insulin resistance. If you want more detailed meal plans, recipes, and a grocery list, check out my book, Metabolic Mastery. It's packed with everything you need to get started on your journey to better health. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, staying youthful and energetic is within your reach. I'll see you in the next one.